How well do you know your garden birds? It's the big Garden Birdwatch this weekend, so I'm going to give you a quick quiz on 10 common species of birds. I'll give you a few seconds before telling you the answer. You ready? Well, let's go! Bird number 1. A robin. Bird number 2. A blackbird. Bird number 3. A great tit. Bird number 4. A goldfinch. Bird number 5. A magpie. Bird number 6. A blue tit. Bird number 7. A dunnock. Bird number 8. A goldcrest. Bird number 9. A wren. And finally, bird number 10.